How to secretly unfollow somebody on Instagram. So let's say you have someone, they just post way too much, or for whatever reason, you don't want to see their posts and their stories anymore, but you also don't want them to know that you unfollowed them. Well, Instagram has a very cool feature here that is going to be perfect for this situation. So first, you want to go to your feed. You want to find whichever account it is that you're trying to secretly unfollow, and you can go to their page. You want to tap on their username, go to their page, and then you want to go down to following. So you can go ahead and tap on following, and then you're going to have this option right here where it says to mute. And pretty cool thing here is you actually have a couple different options within the mute. Let's say that they just post way too many reels and posts and you don't want to see that, but you're fine seeing their stories. Well, you can go ahead and toggle that off, but leave the stories on. So whatever one of these you end up turning on, you won't be seeing that anymore from that specific account. And it's not going to notify the person at all that you have done that. So this is a really cool, unique way of unfollowing somebody without having to feel like you were mean and let them know that you're not following them anymore. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.